Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. Going over to my daughter's house for 4th of July. I knocked and I knocked and I knocked. Debbie, Debbie, Mom's here, Mom's here. I yelled and yelled. After hitting a few more times and yelling a few more times, she finally opened up that window. She's teasing me now and saying, "Why are you here? Why are you here?" she's saying. And I'm telling her I'm here for the 4th of July party. And she's laughing and laughing and laughing at me. Do you see what she's doing? She's mocking me. Mocking her mother. That is terrible. Finally, she opens the door and lets me in to see how she's decorated her home for the 4th of July. She did an awesome job, did she not? First thing I saw was her fireplace and her mantel. She decorated it so pretty with a lantern on each side and the 4th of July fairy wings. Don't they look beautiful? And of course, the beautiful 4th of July flowers, and the candles were lit also. Everything looked so festive for the 4th of July in her living room. She did her mantel just perfectly. I couldn't believe how well she decorated everything. I can't wait to see the rest of the house. Everything was so well done. My daughter always likes to decorate everything so well, as you can see. She is a very, very crafty girl, unlike her mother. And believe it or not, her daughter is just as crafty. She does all kinds of things also. Grandma needs to start stepping up her game. Didn't she do an awesome job decorating her mantel for the 4th of July? Everything looks so pretty. I couldn't believe it. She always does such a great job at everything she puts her mind to do. It was a joy to go over there for the 4th of July. It felt good to get out of the house and see something beautiful that I didn't have to clean or organize. Then we headed into her dining room, and oh my gosh, was her dining room not decorated beautiful for the 4th of July too. She'd put red, white, and blue plates and napkins at each place setting. She had a beautiful fireworks display in her centerpiece on her table. I love the table runner with the red, white, and blue stars running down the center too, and the beads. And of course, as you saw, she had a beautiful Mackenzie Childs tray in the center of her table. And as you look over at her buffet, you can see how many Mackenzie Childs pieces she has collected herself. At first, she thought I was silly about the Mackenzie Childs, and she's just as hooked on it now as I am, as you can see by how her home is looking. She has a beautiful Mackenzie Child picture in blue, and she's got a couple of storage containers also in the yellow and white. And she has, if you can believe it, even the Mackenzie Child beautiful lampshade. Couldn't believe how pretty everything is looking. Don't you agree? She did an awesome job decorating everything for the 4th of July. She really goes all the way out when she decorates. Everything looks so pretty and all the colors reflecting in the mirror. Oh, I really enjoyed watching everything she had put together. And as you can see, she also likes a little wine. She has even a cellar in her home with some more wine. So she does like to entertain, as you can see. So many beautiful accessories that she has picked up for the 4th of July and has pulled out to share with all of us. I really, really loved all the red, white, and blue flowers she had and the American flag and all the enthusiasm of being an American. And she had so many beautiful pieces. Oh, look at her beautiful little container there, the yellow and white, and with the amber little finial on top. So pretty. She has so many beautiful pieces from Mackenzie Childs. And as I keep saying, she keeps torturing me with that lampshade. I'm probably going to end up having to buy one myself because it is so beautifully done. I just love it. We're going to get a little closer if you can see all the detail on it. See how beautiful it is. She's tortured me. She's tortured me. I'm going to have to get one. I can already see. I'm looking at this lampshade more and more, and I said, why did I not buy one? Oh well, there's always next month or next year. Hopefully they'll still have them. I really love how Mackenzie Child leaves nothing to be forgotten. Everything is so well done. Well, I gotta stop talking about that lampshade. Let's go see what else she's got in her home decorated for the 4th of July. This little area in her other side of her dining room is so pretty. She always does such a great job with everything she does. I'm always so impressed about what she comes up with. So many creative things. Nothing ever gets forgotten at her home. And she's got quite a few things that she borrowed from Grandma. As you notice, that barn was mine. But those beautiful crystal apples are all hers. And of course, she's got the lights on her lantern turned on too. Are they not beautiful? Those crystal apples. Oh my gosh, I couldn't believe. And I should have took better pictures of them with the little jewels in them. And look at all the other beautiful things that she has in her home to share. She even had an apple pie over there on the shelf. Isn't that wonderful? Everything just looks so beautiful for the 4th of July. She did an awesome job decorating that shelving unit, and as you see, I did loan her the beautiful beads and the fairy wings that I had used at my house. Might as well let it repurpose again. You know, the more we can repurpose, the better it is. And sharing with our family and friends is always a joy, because they share back with us, and it helps us with the cost of what we do. I hope you enjoyed seeing what my daughter did for the 4th of July, and I hope you agree with me. She did a beautiful job decorating from top to bottom, from living room to dining room, so beautifully put together. She has done such a beautiful job, and I loved everything she did. Please, if you're not already following me, please think about it. And please click the like button and let my daughter know how you enjoyed how she decorated her home for 4th of July. And you see, I loaned her those beautiful plates that she made me for my 4th of July display. We're sharing back and forth, the best part of being mother and daughter. You always share and give love. It always comes back to you in the end. Well, I just wanted to share with you what she did for the 4th of July this year. Hope you enjoyed, and let's hope freedom rings for a few more centuries. It's been very stressful here this last year. I'm so glad that we're getting back together as a family and a nation. Please let freedom ring. Please love thy neighbor, and please try to help thy neighbor. It's been really stressful, but never forget our country and staying pulled together. Well, I'm going to let you go. Please have all my love for the 4th of July with You Can Spend Family Time. It's going to be an awesome good year. I can feel it already. Please Let's stay together as a country and as a family and keep everything pulled together. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy. And happy 4th of July.